Let's talk about electrician pay in Belarus. On average, an electrician in Belarus earns around 7,200 US dollars a year. That is the average electrician pay before tax, but after tax, it drops to $6,200 annually. This leaves you with roughly $517 every month in take-home pay. While those are the national figures, you'll usually bring home noticeably more if you work in larger cities. For example, an electrician salary in Belarus jumps to $7,300 after tax in Minsk. Living in Minsk pays higher electrician wages, but the higher cost of living in the capital often offsets that advantage. That is why many workers start out earning well below this average electrician income when they are new to the trade. Experience makes a big difference early on because your earnings go up quickly as you gain practical skills. On top of that, having a college degree opens up better paths, which is how you can move into higher roles like electrical inspector or project supervisor. Having specialized skills adds up to even higher pay over time. So if you are wondering how much does an electrician make in Belarus, specialized training is the best way to earn more.